Good morning, guys. Today I will be recording the integration module, independent challenge 1. So let's open the starting files. Okay, it's right here. So I'll open both of them. Okay, so let's open these files and check it. Okay, so this is our Excel file. So which has a table and some data and a figure and a graph. Okay, so our goal is to integrate this one to the Word document. Let me open the Word document. Okay, so our Word document is right here. Okay, so first things first, I will save both of them. So File, Save As, My Documents. Okay, Integration Module 1, Independent Challenge 1, and I ask missions minutes. Okay, let's save this. I will save the Excel now. File, Save As, My Documents. Okay, Integration Module 1, Independent Challenge 1. And this is Wolf Island data. Okay, so we have both of our files. So my goal is to integrate this one into the Word document. Okay. Okay. So here we can see that they have written the minutes. They want to incorporate the data which is in the Excel sheet into this one. Okay. So to start with, first let's clear this clipboards so that we won't have too many things in them. Okay, this is pretty clear. Okay, so now I want to copy this one. So let's select that, right click, copy. Okay, you will see it will appear in the clipboard. And then I want this line right here. Okay, copy. Okay, so now let's go into the Word document. Okay, we'll be going back and forth between the documents, so don't get confused. So in the Word document, I want this figure to appear right here. So I will just click on that, it will appear. So I will arrange it nicely now. I will click on the picture format, position, and select the center one. Okay, it will kind of unpin it from anywhere, so you can easily move wherever you want. Okay, so I want it right here. Okay, now I want the date to appear before the approval minutes. So I will put my cursor in front of the second line and click on that. Okay, so the date appears right there. So those two came from that. We did not connect them, we just copied them. So now we'll go to the Excel sheet and I want to connect this Excel sheet to the Word document. Okay, so let's select this, copy. Let's go to the Word document. Okay, so now this is where you have to be careful. So spring fundraiser events. So I want the chart to be right here because it says the chart shown below is a summary of the revenue. Okay, right here. So here, right click. Okay, now you see the paste options here. So the first one is just a regular paste. We don't want that. If we do that, it won't be connected. Okay, so next, this is just the formatting is copied. We don't want that either. So we want this one, use destination theme and link data. Okay, so we want to link both of them. So keep source formatting and link data. We can do this one too. Okay, so basically the text will match this one, Word file, and the data will be copied from the Excel file. Okay, but let's use this one so that you can see the similarities more. So I will use destination theme and link data. So, okay. So it's linked now. Okay, now let's go to the Excel sheet and change something and see how it affects here. Okay, so Excel sheet. So you can see this is 51%, 7%, 10%, 6%, 26%, right? So we'll change the planned sales from 700 to 1000. Okay, that should increase the percentages automatically and adjust all of them. So that became 60% now. So let's go to the Word document and see whether that got affected. You guys can see that. Okay, that means both of them are linked. Okay, so if we change anything, it will affect here as well. Now we'll go to the Excel again and we'll copy the content of E7. Okay, where is our E7? E7, so right here, copy. Okay, so here it says the 4th annual planned sales again provided to be the major money makers of the art commission this year. The sales raised too. So this is where we want to show those sales. So select the XX you have here. And this time we will go into this paste special. Okay, so right here, paste special. And we want to paste it as a link. Okay, so paste link, but we don't want to format it. Okay, so unformatted text is what we'll be using. Okay, say okay. Okay, so you have the 50,000 there. And we will do one more thing here, G7. Okay, where is our G7? 5, 6, 7, G7. Okay, so here we'll calculate the total of these funds so that we can calculate the percentages here. Okay, so total of the funds, so we can just do the auto sum. Okay, it automatically selected all of the funds raised. Center. Here, let's calculate the percentages. Okay, oh, we have done this many times. Hope you remember. B7 divided by the total. Okay, but this total is not going to change, so we'll make it an absolute reference. So we'll put a $sign in front of the numbers or press F4 depending on how your computer is set up. My laptop doesn't have an F4. Okay, so now we will copy this down all the way. Okay, so basically we are calculating this percentages here. Okay, so this was done without calculating. We have just done it here. We have calculated it here. So now G7, then we'll go to E8 and we'll copy this percentage. We'll go to the Word document back and you see this ZZ, that's where we will paste that. Okay, so don't forget, you cannot do a regular paste. So paste, special, paste link, unformatted text and say okay. Okay, so now we have linked this number, this percentage, and the chart with the Excel sheet. Okay, so now let's go to the Excel sheet and change something and see how it reflects here. So let's go to the Excel sheet. Now let's change the planned sales to 1200. Okay, so you can see all of those things changed. Let's go to the Word document and see if the changes are affecting. Okay, so you can see here it's affected, but here it's not changing. So when it is not changing, just right click on it. So you should see update link. Okay, so if you don't see this, that means you did not paste, you did not do the paste as a link. You did a regular paste. So you go back and do the paste special again. So you just say update link, it will update it. Do the same for the percentage, update link, and it will update it. Okay, so if you are not seeing this update link again, that means you did not do the paste correct. So when you're doing the paste, you go to the paste special and do as a link. Okay, so you can always go back in this video and see how I have done it and do it. Okay, let's go ahead and add our names here. Okay, and that's it. That's this exercise. So go ahead and save both of them. Save both of them and make sure you submit it. Okay, so and this one, make sure you submit the formula sheet also. Okay, so that's all, guys. So they go right here.